Hi guys, welcome back to Technoc City. This is Adnan Ahmed back with another video. So guys, before getting started, make sure to subscribe to the channel. We are almost there to 1k here, and make sure to subscribe and like this video and share it with your friends. Guys, I'm back on YouTube after a very long time. I was out of topics and have put in a lot of effort for searching an appropriate topic. And guys, here I am, and I have 2 to 3 topics here. I'll just post them continuously within 2 to 3 days here, and you will find a chain of videos related to the same topic. Make sure you watch each of them completely so that you are so that you don't break up in between. The you can't If you do so, you won't understand the topic and content in the video in the upcoming videos. So make sure you watch and have the flow in hand to understand all those videos. So guys, without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, as you have already subscribed now, and let's move on to the today's video topic. That's how to earn money from the TikTok app. And guys, these are the two in-trend topics, that's TikTok and PUBG. And now we have the TikTok here. So it's TikTok on Play Store as well. Just let me just show you. It's TikTok here. Just install it and open up. And I'm not going to waste time in that. And guys, the sound was too much here. And this is the opening interface of TikTok application. And when you go up, and I'll just reduce the volume so that I don't break my ears and damage them. And guys, when you are here on the application, you can just go to your profile. Then the next option next to your profile is notifications, and over here you can see there are always there is someone always who's going to be live. So you can just see this top lives option here. You can just open it up, and whenever you watch one guy, let me just show you first. When you go to your profile and click on these 3 dots here and go to your wallet, and you can check out your coin balance here. And why am I showing you the coin balance here? You just need to click recharge on first. Then 100 coins is 80 rupees, 500 coins is 410, 2000 coins 1650, 5000 coins 4100, 10,000 coins rupees 8200. So these are the rates of the coins. And where do you use these coins? So for that, let's move back and go back to the same place where we were now. Go to notifications, go to top lives, and over here click on any of those who are live. And this guy is live here. And when you're watching the stream, I don't want to show this. And okay, there is some fam. Okay, let's check this. And you can just chat with the creators. And as well, there are when you want to convey some message, you can use the emojis as well. But then how do these creators earn money? So you can find this gift option over here. You can see panda, Italian hand, love banks, sun cream, and a lot of other emojis or stickers. And below them there is a coin rate below each of the sticker there. Panda has 5 coins, Italian hand has 5 coins. And guys, if you select any of those, you need to buy coins. When you go to buy coins, it will take you to the same page where we were previously, and it will ask you to pay money. You can pay using debit card or credit card, and you can buy the coins. And after buying, you just need to pay it to them. And when you pay and buy the sticker and send it to the creator you're watching the video of, the creator gets a lot of coins from the viewers after a live stream, and he can redeem it and get the cash into his Paytm account or a normal bank account. And this is the primary way that the TikTok creators use to earn money. And the second this thing is, when you go to the search option here, and you find these hashtags here. These are the trending topics that are in trend right now, and the people can just make videos on this. And if they get into the trending list over here, they will get exclusive gifts from TikTok. Those are they may TikTok may offer them a free trip. They may offer them a nice phone, that's iPhone or something like that. They can also offer them a vehicle. They can offer them a chance to meet popular stars on of Bollywood on or on Twitter, TikTok, and other things. And they also get a lot of hell lot of followers, guys. They get a lot of followers, and by followers they get a badge. that's a popular creator badge, and you can check out on the home page if there is some popular creator here. Let me just show you if you find some. And this is not a popular creator. Okay, let me just let it go. And yeah, there are people in the following section. You can just see here there are some of like Dani Zehin. There is a popular mark, that popular creator tick mark. When you open up there, verified account, that's popular creator. There are such kind of ticks available. And then after this, guys, the third step, this is the last step. And guys, the primary way was the live stream gifts. Second was hashtags, the trending topics. Then the third one is when you get a popular creator badge, many popular brands will offer you collaborations so that you can earn money with them. You just have to do some promotion for them and you guys get a lot of money. And these were the top 3 ways by which you can use TikTok to earn money and make a living. That's it, guys, in this video. If you guys like this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit a bell icon to get notified of all our uploads. And thanks for watching. Meet you in the next one. Goodbye.